Good morning, guys. Today is the 16th of January 2018. It's Tuesday morning. Market is at the all-time highs once again, so looking at the CLGC potential. Might have just missed a long right here. Just tuned in, just opened up my charts. Might have been an opportunity for a long right here, but too late to get in here. But looking for potential longs. If it sets itself up again, I might be interested. Something like that. See what happens. Keep you posted. Okay, it did come back down. Close enough. Looking for opportunity if it gives me a signal. Okay, I got a very late entry here. I was waiting to be sure that it gave me the signal. And right here, I was 100% sure that the signal was valid. Let me go figure out the target. Be right back. I know it looks like a late entry, but it's really not. Okay, target's up here, looking for 2 nuggets. Add it on right here. Got a signal. Target's the same. Looking for 1.6 on that one. Came all the way down here. Had to add on. Couldn't pass that up. Looking for 2.3 on this one. There we go, pushing up nicely now. Okay, we're looking for a substantial thrust coming up. Should be enough to hit target. Didn't expect this push down here. Wasn't in the cards. That was kind of a surprise. But I'm seeing a thrust approaching, and it should push it past target. I'm just going to hold out for target, but it should push it past target. That thrust is long overdue. Expected to see that a while ago, but it's still in the forecast. There we go. Got a little pop-up. Wasn't quite the thrust I was expecting. The thrust is being delayed, but it's still on the radar. Almost hit target here. Almost. Okay, I covered everything right here. Just as I did, it popped up and hit my original target, but I was going with the bird in the hand analogy, and got a total of 4.8 this morning. 1.7, 1.2, and 1.9 over here. We never did get that thrust to the upside that I was looking for. Maybe it's still coming, but no harm, no foul. I'm happy with what I got. And I'll call it a day here. Guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.